Damn, look at those sexy cars. Ooh, what do we got going on today?
Daddy life, bro.
¿Qué andan haciendo, güeyes?
Casi le...
Un pinche desmadre, güey.
Just for his hand, güey, casi...
¿Casi te la cortas?
Casi se... I almost gave him a kiss, güey, on his hand, güey. That daddy life.
Good?
It's just a, fucking head.
That daddy life.
You guys gotta be careful, güey. ¿Sí pueden o no?
Yeah.
Vamos a estar washing the engine, güey, ¿o qué pedo?
I don't know how to turn the machine, güey.
Oh, es anti-indios, güey.
Oh.
Pinche, güey.
Oh, ¿qué, güey?
I got you. Alright, broski, so today we're working on Angel's whip. He's finally gonna have a running engine. So predictions, way you think we'll finish it up by today?
Got to, bro.
We got to, or else fucking storage fees go up, way. Te creas, güey. Hey, güey. No te creas, güey.
Hey.
¿Puedes o no? Alright, broskis, I got the new engine all washed up. She's almost ready. Still gotta take off the auto trans, and then I think this manifold, we're gonna take it off. A couple of little parts. But yeah, got the Modelos on deck. Red Bull for me. It's too early for Modelos. Wino Chris is already sipping on some Modelitos.
Yes.
Míralo.
Yes.
Pinches Wino, míralo. Wino.
Damn. 12 yet, bro.
It's not.
It's all somewhere, Wino. Alright, broskis, we'll update you once the engine's about to come out. Alright, so we're lifting up the car. We're on both the trans, drive shaft, all that stuff, because we're going to pull it out completely.
Check it
It's
out,
easier
bro.
way. A ver, espérate. Oh.
Damn. Then it cracked all the way down.
Damn.
Está cabrón.
Yeah. That's why you're supposed to check your oil every fucking day.
Well, I did.
With the
I
D.
even put a...
We even put a Lucas on
I
it.
put like 6 quarts. But it was already knocking, you know?
¿Quién te lo vendió, güey? I did. Well, that was like 2 years ago or 3, güey.
Yeah, 2 years ago I bought the car, and I had a knock like the last 2 events. Huh?
Yeah.
And it was going hard. The car did get like it felt like it didn't have enough power like the last event, the for Andy's studio.
Yeah.
But it, you know, for what it was, I thought it was gonna go out sooner.
No, I mean, once you start getting good at drifting, güey, then you start blowing shit faster, güey.
See?
So, ahorita todavía no. That shit's still gonna last you like another fucking 3 years, güey.
Yeah, that's why I don't wanna go too crazy, you know. So another VQ
Another VQ.
to get some more practice.
Yeah, that's all you need, güey.
Then I already made, we made some money back from the Gino.
Yeah.
So the motor's coming out to like 400 so
That
far.
$400 and all the work, so not bad, way.
Not bad. And then Chris, we only pay him with the Modelos, so
Yeah, Christian fucking give him like 2 Modelos and fucking he'll fucking swap it all out by himself.
fuck it.
That Chris?
Huh? You work for Modelos, like.
What? Oh yeah, I work for Modelos.
Chris. So what, you want me to go down there and
Come down here, way.
Wait.
Aye.
Go on where, wait?
down there? Wait.
You gotta specify.
Are you gonna fit right there?
You gotta go higher, no? Atrás. A little
Yeah,
higher.
but it's because the front jack stands, they keep tilting.
Órale, órale.
Oh yeah.
You see the front one?
Oh, because it's on a hill. Ay, güey.
¿No crees que se la dé el morro para acá?
Tal vez, güey.
Sí, ¿verdad? ¿No tienes otro strap, güey? O sea, para metérselo aquí de aquí para allá.
Yeah.
Para que se quede straight, güey. No se vaya a mover. Enfrente de esta
No, pinche cochinero quisiera.
I told this fool, güey.
No. Where's the tent?
You guys know better. Alright, guys, so it's almost ready to come out. Well, it's ready to come out.
Halfway.
Really, I got something for you.
¿Qué me agarraste, güey? For you, güey. You're gonna clean that shit up, güey, not me.
I'm gonna wash the whole driveway, güey.
También los carros, güey, ¿no?
Driveway, the cars, todo. Este que está aquí.
The ground?
Oops.
Damn.
¿Listo?
Sácalo.
Sácamela. Sácamela, Chris. I think the tranny sitting on you.
Okay, drop it.
It's like, should I drop it and then relift it? Yeah, ahí. Go.
Jálásela. Yep.
Dale.
Good.
Yeah. That's a better view, no?
And she's out.
Damn.
Okay, that little rod right there.
What happened when you got too hard, bro?
Damn. Look at that crack on the oil pan and everything, güey. Chingó su madre, güey.
JBO, no? Un zip tie.
Sit to that shit, güey. Ahí está. Next. Now switch everything over. Damn, look at that spacer, güey. Por eso lo tronaste, güey. Too much air, güey. Alright, little update. Engine harness from the old motor or from the automatic has come off. It's already off. Now we're gonna take off the engine harness from the old engine and slap it on the new motor. ¿Cómo la ves?
Ahí vamos.
Little by little.
Little.
2-3 hours and then we should be done. Alright, so valió madre. We couldn't put the tranny on because
Angel didn't get a clutch.
yeah, Angel didn't get a clutch. No, the flywheel was fucked, so we couldn't reuse it. So
The bolts were stripped, fool.
Christian stripped the bolts.
No.
Pinche Chris.
Whoever did it before just jammed them in there so they're stuck inside.
So we're just gonna throw the motor in like that, and then
Too many supervisors and
see, no? We got 1, 2, 3, 4 supervisors.
Because
Tú dale,
start
güey.
pushing it in.
Méteselo, güey. Aguas. Así, güey, para que le duela, güey.
Jalo lo más hacia acá. Ahí está. No, así para atrás. Ahí está bien, güey, ahí está bien. Fair enough. Yeah, go back. Go back. Yeah, start pushing back. Dale.
Facilito, güey. Si
Dale
la
para atrás.
tranny, easy, güey.
Pues sí, güey.
The
No que no.
tranny lines.
You're never gonna take it off.
Well,
Así te dijeron, ¿no, güey?
Hooked up, no?
Así te dijeron, ¿no?
¿qué?
You're never gonna take it off.
What?
Those lines.
Oh yeah. If they're hooked up to the trans, yeah.
Okay.
That way you're like way up there, way.
Tienes que bajarle, güey.
Oh, yeah. Actually, no. Yeah. No, you just need to go more back, way.
Ay.
Go more back. Like a lot more back.
Back or down?
Take back. The whole jack. Back.
Oh, like forward, no?
Yeah, towards the car. Towards the
Okay,
car.
so that's
Forward.
forward.
Go.
Ah, pinches vatos.
Okay. Ahora sí, para abajo.
Güey.
Okay.
¿Tú ves qué pedo?
I don't know.
¿Dónde te los hallaste, güey?
De la pinche Home Depot.
No, güey, los del Home Depot, güey.
What the fuck?
No mamen.
There goes your motor mount.
Te vas a morir,
Okay,
güey.
down. All the way down. All the way down. Dale, no.
Ay,
Uy.
ay, no sé. ¿Ya? ¿Sí o no?
Ya, güey.
Así queda, güey.
Así
Oh,
queda.
yeah, 'cause of the pinche
Así
turn.
queda.
Sí, shit.
So, si quieres ahorita métete atrás o aquí ponle un jack stand, güey. For now. So it doesn't keep rocking and fucking
Oh, you
close
can't
up.
both. Oh, no. It's so-
Well, we could both
All right, broski, it's already late. Everybody took off, and they're gonna come back sometime during the week because we didn't finish the car. Well, the motor's in already, but like we said, we're gonna wait for Angel to get a new clutch. So as of now, just the motor is in there, no tranny, no clutch, no nothing, until we get the new clutch for it. So, but everything's already hooked up. It should be ready to fire up once we put the tranny on. And that's it, broskis. What do you guys think? Not bad for a half a day job with all the homies kicking it. This is not my car, by the way. This is my car over here. So for those of you that don't know, this is Angel's car. I'm gonna end the video right here, broskis. If you guys enjoyed it, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe if you are new and join the broskis. Alright guys, peace out.